Lab Science, we are going to be doing a DNA extraction and electrophoresis, the virtual lab. They talk about this in the Earl Washington case, but we don't have the materials to do that. A lot of high schools aren't going to have the materials to do that. So there is an online version that I'm going to have you guys do just so you can get an idea of how this happens. So you have this worksheet that you're going to complete and fill out. That third sheet is just nothing. But you're going to start with going to this website. Now when you go to this website, you are going to scroll down all the way to virtual labs. So if I look back here, I'm going to go and do DNA extraction first. So I'm going to click on the DNA extraction, and then you can start the lab. So as you start the lab, it says list 3 reasons for extracting DNA from a human subject. Alright, so we're going to start the lab. It's going to show this. Why, you may ask, do you need human DNA? And then it's going to walk through genetic testing, body identification, and analysis of forensics evidence. Now it is up here, but if you ever need to go back a slide, you always have that option of going back a slide, okay? So you're going to complete these questions as you go through. So you're just going to go through these slides, okay? So it's going to show you what's happening here. I'm going through quickly. I want you guys to take your time and fill this out. But anyways, you can see it's going to go through all of this. And it shows how DNA is formed, what it looks like. Alright, and you can go through the slides. So now it says try it yourself. How to extract DNA from anything living. So we could do this, and I've done this with strawberries in the past. I can see that there's a lot of stuff going on, the stringy stuff right here. I may have you guys do that, or I may have them do it in class, but I've done it with strawberries or bananas. I've never tried it with green split peas, but we may have to try it this time. But it also says it works with spinach, chicken liver, broccoli. So anyways, that is just something there. Alright, so once you complete that, you are then going to do gel electrophoresis. So you're going to go back to the same place. You're going to go down to the virtual labs. And look, right here is gel electrophoresis. Oh, and it's not going to let us do flash. So we may not be able to do this anymore. Let's see if the PCR is working. Alright, this is happening to a lot of these virtual labs. They're not working because flash is no longer supported. Alright guys, well I'm going to have them at least walk through the first one. Then, and so this may only take the one day. I had planned on 2 days just in case to do both. But this may just take us the one day. And we'll just walk through the extracting DNA. I really hate that because it was really nice to be able to see how this works since we don't have the machinery to do it. So anyways, we will just do the DNA extraction, and then on day 2, I probably will for sure bring in split peas, that kind of thing. I'll post some pictures and images of what they did in class. Alright, so just complete that DNA extraction, just to number 8, and that is it. You guys have a great rest of your day. If you need anything else, let me know.